Hi guys, good morning. It is currently August 31st, so it is my first day of classes today, all online. So it's gonna be definitely a lot different than my normal going back to school and everything, but I'm sure we'll get adjusted just like we need to. But I do have so much on my agenda today. I was supposed to wake up at 8. I definitely woke up like 30 minutes earlier. I actually woke up at 7:15ish just because I could not fall back asleep. I was like, I have so much to do today. I don't want to be stressed and overwhelmed. I just decided to get up a little bit earlier so I could get an earlier start to my day. But I'll show you guys my to-do list today. So I made a list last night of everything that I needed to do. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a little bit of hair and makeup because I do have Zoom today. So I do want to get some coffee because obviously first day classes need some energy in me. And then I have a couple Zooms today and just other stuff that I have to do for my other classes, figure out everything, when everything is going to be. I don't know, I just have a lot to do today, just kind of get everything situated. First day type of things, you know. So it's gonna be a busy day. I just thought I'd take you guys along, and I was gonna do a week in my life, but I feel like this video will be long enough for just my first day of classes. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready a little bit and look a little bit more presentable, and then I'm probably gonna go get some coffee, and I also do have to run a couple errands while I am out and about. Guys, I just finished doing my hair and my makeup. I literally did the smallest amount of makeup. Like, you can kind of see where I didn't put anything on, but it's fine. It works for what I need it to work for, which is looking okay for a Zoom class. So now I need to pick out an outfit. Alright, here's the first day of school outfit. So I'm just wearing a t-shirt, a white t-shirt. I think it's from American Eagle. My pants are from Hollister, and I think they're just like the mom jean, skinny jean or something. I don't really know. I have some jewelry on. These are both from Forever 21. I have some rings on. So this one is from Forever 21 and the middle one is from Starlight Village. And then I also have the Starlight Village earrings on. They're just the little moons. And yeah, that's my outfit today. I'm probably just gonna wear some sandals when I go run on my errands and stuff. So I'm gonna go do that right now just to get it done and over with so I can get back and start working on some homework and get ready for my Zoom class. Alright y'all, we got the goods. I just went to Big B and got my coffee. I'm pretty sure Big B is only in Michigan. I think there's a couple in like Indiana and Ohio, but for the most part I think they're only in Michigan. I know it was made here. But I've said this in a couple of my other videos. This is actually where I work at. I work at Big B Coffee, and yeah, I've worked there for almost 3 years now, so in case you were wondering, that's where I work. I get an iced coffee with marshmallow and hazelnut, and then I get the sweet foam on top, which is something new that we just came out with. Alright, so now that we have our coffee, it's almost 9 o'clock, and I'm just sitting here waiting for the bank to open because they open at 9, and I just need to go to the bank, and then I'm gonna head home and figure out stuff for my Zoom class. My boyfriend actually is going over to Ferris today because he has to get a book, and I finally am gonna get my Ferris mask. I'm so excited. We went last week and we were supposed to get them. So technically we were supposed to move in last week and you get them when you move in, but we didn't end up moving in. We just went over there to get our books and they didn't have any extras to give us, which was so annoying because we're like an hour away and you have to drive back Monday or Tuesday, which is today or tomorrow, to get a mask if you wanted them for commuters. But we didn't plan on going back until we absolutely had to because it is such a far drive. But he actually has to go there today to get his book, so he might be getting our masks for us, which I'm so excited about. Alright, we are back in my room and I got my coffee. We're all good for the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and check off a couple things off of my list that I already did. Let's see, wake up 8 a.m. Woke up before that. Hair and some makeup. Went to the bank and got coffee. Okay, so I have a Zoom at 10 a.m. So I'm just gonna kind of pull that up and get ready to do what I need to do. I need to finish filming my video that I'm doing before this goes up. I can now purchase my online Spanish thing, which is ridiculously expensive, but it's college for ya. I need to purchase my art supplies and yeah, some other stuff down there. So it's 9:30 right now. I still have 30 minutes until my Zoom class. I'm actually going to go ahead and purchase my online Spanish like thingy. I think it's like VHL Learning or VHS, I don't know. So I'm taking Spanish 102. I did take 4 years of Spanish in high school. My last year was kind of like blow off class because it was a new teacher. She didn't really know what she was doing. And I was also independent study, so I wasn't actually like in the classroom. I kind of forgot a lot of stuff, but the first 3 years were like super intense, like Spanish. Like I knew a lot of stuff. It's also been 2 years since then, so. But the program that we're using, it's like all of our assignments are on that website, so you have to pay a lot of money for it. At first it was like over $300, but I did end up finding a cheaper one. That's literally just for one class. Like if that does not tell you how ridiculously priced college books are, $300 for one class. That is so absurd and ridiculous. But anyways, oh my god, you guys, I took a first day of school pic and sent it to my mom and she just posted it on Facebook. I'll put the picture right here. But so I need to create an account. I'm gonna do that right now and just figure out everything for that, and I'll show you guys how it looks if I have any assignments after this. Here it is. Okay, let's see what I have to do.
Listen and repeat each word or expression after it's pronounced.
La ducha. La ducha.
El espejo.
El espejo. I'm literally so confused. I'm so confused. I don't even know what this says. So clearly I forgot all of the Spanish that I learned. I just need to like actually take notes on this stuff instead of just trying to go through the lesson without actually like learning stuff, you know? So I'm probably gonna do that sometime today. Yeah, I'm gonna try to work on this because I'm so lost already. It is now 9:51 and I am about to get on my first ever Zoom class. Well, actually, I mean, it is my first Zoom class, like as a class. I did have one Zoom meeting with my English professor last semester, but it was literally for 5 minutes and she just went over my essay and that was it. So it's gonna be kind of weird. It's my first ever like Zoom lecture type thing and it's for art class, so should be interesting. I'll tell you guys how it goes after I am done. It's literally 2 hours long, so it's gonna be really fun. It's just like an introduction, I'm pretty sure though, so.
She says she love me, but she don't. Playing in my heart just like a repeat of a song. Tried to make it work, but I'm already gone. Told her it's hard to say it, but it's true. Hard to find the words that I'm supposed to say to you. It's time to pack your bags, girl, cause I'm moving on. I said it, she know that I am
officially done with my first ever Zoom meeting. It only went for 50 minutes. She didn't do the whole thing, which I kind of expected because she just went over the syllabus. And yeah, so it wasn't too bad. It was kind of boring, but she just told us all the materials we needed for art class and everything, so we should be all good on that. Okay, so now I can cross off Zoom. I need to purchase art supplies still, which I'm not gonna do that right now. Actually, I'm gonna wait on that probably. Zoom 3 p.m. I don't have that. I didn't know for sure. So I just have to finish filming my video for this week, which you guys will have already seen by the time this video goes up. So be sure to go check that video out. Yeah, begin editing that video and then just take notes and work out later tonight. Also, I don't know if I said this. English professor has literally not posted anything. And the class for that is supposed to be tomorrow. So I'm hoping that they post something tonight or tomorrow morning because like I have no clue what to do for that. I don't know if we're Zooming. I don't know if I have assignments that are going to be due sometime soon. Like, he has not posted anything at all. Guess we'll find out what the teacher ends up doing, because right now I have literally no clue. So I'll keep you guys updated if anything comes up for that. I'm gonna work on this Spanish stuff and try to get through a little bit of it at least. Hi guys, so we have had a change in plans. So Cameron actually has to go to school to get a book for his class that he has tomorrow. So, and I thought I had a Zoom at 3, but I actually don't. So I'm going with him and we're gonna get our Ferris masks and it's gonna be a great day. I feel like it's gonna be so busy on campus, but so yeah, that's what we're doing right now. And I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit there. So it is officially at the end of the day. It is like 7:41 right now, and I just wanted to update you on everything that I got done. I am literally so proud of myself. It is still the first day of classes and I have finished everything that I need to for the week. I know, it's crazy. My English professor did end up emailing us and he gave us an assignment, which I already did. I did all of my Spanish. I took 4 years of Spanish in high school and I don't remember anything. I mean, like, I remember some stuff, like the basics or whatever, but we're learning, the first chapter is like bathroom stuff. There's just so many verbs. I'll show you guys my notes though. They're super freaking organized. So satisfying. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I'm just really excited. I told myself that I was going to be so motivated this semester and just really focused on my work and getting stuff done on time way before the due date, just so I'm not like in a rush or just like confused about what work I need to get done. I cannot wait for you guys to come along with me. I feel like I'm turning into like a productivity channel, but I don't know, it just makes me really happy and I feel really good getting stuff done. So if you guys are interested in that stuff, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I just thought I would update you guys on what I did. I literally already made a to-do list for tomorrow, just like extra stuff to study, start editing my video, stuff like that. Also, I am starting tomorrow, September 1st, I'm starting a no spend month. So I'm putting it on here to keep myself accountable. I might do a video on it at the end of the month just to update you guys on how I did. Obviously, if I need essentials and like all of the things that I have to pay, like my car payment and stuff like that, that's obviously stuff I have to pay. I can't just not pay it for the month, but I just want to see how well I do because I spend money on like such dumb things that I don't need. Anyways, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Turn on my post notification bell so you can be notified every single time that I post a new video, and follow all my social media. I'll be linked in the description box, of course, as always. Yeah, I think that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.